best location and best breakfast that make Indigo Krakow a great hotel. On-box Hotel Indigo Krakow Old Town revealed the best suite room. Is it close to the attractions? How about the breakfast buffet?
Hi, I'm Filipa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Good night, Krakow Airport. Tonight I will stay at Hotel Indigo Krakow Old Town, a premium hotel with 4-star. Will I love this property? We will find out later. Before we jump into the detailed hotel report, as always, let me tell you how I got here. I flew out from Munich, Germany, experiencing the Lufthansa home-based Senator Lounge at the satellite terminal, on board an A320 in economy class. And how about this paid dessert? For the full flight report, check the link below. After all the airport procedure, I left Krakow Airport at midnight and headed to the hotel by taxi. It took around 30 minutes one way. Upon entering, I was informed that I'd been upgraded to the best suite room. Thanks a lot to IHG, an award-winning hotel, Indigo Krakow. Let's take this transparent lift and head to my suite room today. Number 503 at the top floor.
I'm staying in the 5th floor, so this is my room, 503. So basically, they got the one room here, another one here, here. Looks like this floor only got one suite room.
Alright, let's explore my room today.
Welcome to Hotel Indigo Krakow. This is the 5-star hotel in the city center, Old Town. And now I'm going to show you this room. It's spacious. The suite room 503. Alright. So the design of this room is very special, unlike any other Indigo hotel or any other Holiday Inn hotel. They got a living area with a big sofa, the table, and the TV right there. Alright, since we saw the mini bar, let's take a look. And there's a menu for drinks. Alright, and this water, glass, some books for the decoration, with a chair here. This is a working desk with a cute lights. Alright, so they got a Indigo guide and a note and also a pencil. Some shopping guide information right here. This looks like the roof, so actually I can close it at night. Is it like that? Yeah, I think it's moving. Alright. This is an Nespresso coffee machine. Alright. And the water boiler. This is, maybe it's chocolate, I'm not so sure. Later I can check. It's fruit inside. Sour and sweet. Good. Talking about the drawers. Locked. Nothing inside. Nothing inside. Alright. Cool decorated lights and also the painting. I think most of the drawers shouldn't have anything inside. And a cup. Mix and match. Looks nice one. Alright. There's a big mirror over here. And one of them didn't close. I'm not so sure about the remote control. But anyway, never mind. Let's take a look at the closet. The closet is actually indoor. Very cool. They got very big iron board. Also got iron right there. This is a laundry bag with a foam. Hair dryer. Some the sewing kit. And a shower cap right here. And this is envelope. Alright. The safe. And I see anything in the mini bar? Nope. Thank you. Alright, and then let's move to the room. Also have some decoration. Oh, the room is also very cool and very clean. They also got a roof window right here. Later we turn it off. The bed, haven't tried, not sure it's good or not. Later we'll see. Got pillows, decoration, the lighting, the drawing, all very cool. Here's the TV and also got some drawers here. And obviously nothing inside.
Well, the power socket here has an extra pin for grounding. My converter doesn't work here. Worth noting. USB chargers are available, but haven't yet implemented USB-C.
Alright, and here is the toilet. The toilet is also decorated very fancy, very modern. They got 2 sinks, and the brand they are using Zenology hand and body balm and hand wash. They got a very huge mirror here, also the cosmetic mirrors. Got 2 over here. This bathtub is also very huge with the towels. And what are those? Bath salts. There are 3 bath salts. Very cool with the Indigo brand. So here you can also find the slippers and many other towels and also the bathrobe. I find out there's no toothbrush. So probably if we need toothbrush and some amenities, need to request to the hotel. Okay. Also another window right here. I'm really curious about the view in the morning. Later we'll take a look in the morning. And here is the shower. So they got a shower. Okay, also with the same brand, Zenology. Alright, so I'm checking the room service menu. This is mainly talking about this Michelin restaurant, Filipa 18. But I couldn't find a price for these 2 wine, red wine and white wine. So I just made a call to the reception. They say this is complimentary. Wow, very kind. For the wine here, I will give it a try.
Before I got drunk with these 2 bottles of wines. I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Cheers. There's no bottle opener in the room, but it shows twist off. Really? Can I do that? Try it. Oh. Not so difficult, but need to get used to that. Cheers! It's pretty interesting that we set for a chair here, which means maybe we'll have a very good view in the morning. We'll see. Let's turn it down first. Alright, good night.
Good morning, Krakow. Look at this amazing view from the bedroom. There are no other tall buildings. I can see really far, and below is the marketplace. And here is another angle from the bathroom. I can spot the church over there. Really outstanding view from Hotel Indigo Krakow top floor.
Alright, good morning Indigo Krakow. It's currently in 7:30 a.m. in the morning. I already take a look at the view from the windows and now I want to check the facility and breakfast. Let's go! The leaf and the stairs are classic. They make it become transparent. Very good way to use the space. Sauna and fitness going down. There's a conference room over there. Oh, hidden in the basement. Fitness room right here. Wow.
The constructions are full of bricks. Looks quite safe in here.
Is there any light? Cannot see. So this is a small gym. I think that's typical for Indigo. So far I stay in 3 different Indigos. All the gyms are small, but they are all located at a quite good location. So it's probably more for traveling instead of having heavy exercise. So there's also sauna room. Of course, I already make sure there's no one inside. Otherwise, I will be sued. Okay, so we got the towel here, sitting area for some relax. And I think this kind of shower room. And this is the, what do you call this? I just make you dry, make you hot. And the toilet. Alright, so it's a kind of a simple sauna room. Alright, turn it off. Don't waste energy.
Before breakfast, I'd like to walk around the hotel. Let's see if there's any attraction within walking distance.
Good morning. Alright, I'm outside now of the Hotel Indigo Old Town. So walk around. So this building is actually Indigo Krakow. It doesn't look big, and my room is somewhere on the roof, penthouse probably. So the hotel is right there. This is a market, and this is kind of a street view of the Krakow. I'm not sure where is the old town. That I should ask. And there's also kind of a church over there. Alright, I find a very interesting map. So probably here is the old town. That's a church. That one should be. So the Hotel Indigo is actually right here. And this street to the kind of a castle. Let's go. It's quite chill in the morning, but the view is fantastic. And later we go there, take a look at the castle. So there are some statues. I'm not very good in history, so if you know the stories, leave your comments below. So here is probably somewhere so-called Old Town. They got a bridge here. Cool, very just like in the movies. Also the wall over there is like a big park nowadays. Alright, one of the most important parts for the hotel is regarding the location. And definitely Indigo always choose a very good location of their hotel facilities. It's right next to the famous attraction here in Krakow. Since it's in early morning, I don't know where is the shopping area and also the dining area, but supposedly it shouldn't be too far. So let's talk a little bit about the room experience. The room is spacious, got a living area, it's quite large, and also the sleeping area with a very cool decorated bathroom. And the bedding is very, very comfortable. I was fall asleep immediately. This is a big plus. The hotel facilities, they also got a sauna and fitness. It's small, but if you need it, it's still over there. Now I will head back to the hotel and take a look at the breakfast. See you later. This is the main gate of Hotel Indigo Krakow. Nearby got a walking area. Probably some kids, some schools over here, so that's a good one. It's a city center. Alright, let's go back to the hotel and the breakfast. There's a Michelin restaurant called Filipa 18. We'll see.
I've stayed at a couple of Indigo hotels. All of them amazed me with their breakfast in terms of a very high quality buffet. Let's take a look at this one.
got a pretty cozy lounge right here.
On the other side, it's a cafe and bar area. Looks a simple place, but even sells cigars. Alright, I'm in the restaurant Filipa 18 now. It wasn't large, to be honest, but I like the design very much. It preserves the natural light. There are 3 buffet areas, with cold food on the table in the middle. They are all well stocked with quality offerings.
It's cold foods, bread and some fruits. Of course, also the muesli. It's a milk and pastries.
There's also another section for juices, coffee and teas. These pastries truly look very well presented. I'd love to taste every one if possible. This is what I got from the buffet, and there's also a menu where you can order freshly made breakfast. I selected Eggs Benedict. It was amazing with fried bread and bacon, ranking among my top Eggs Benedict at all hotels. Let's take a final look at this restaurant and head back to the suite.
Alright, let's talk a little bit about the summary. First of all, the breakfast, Egg Benedict, was perfect. So delicious for that egg and also that bread. I love it. And the overall breakfast experience was amazing. The environment, decoration was great. The food selection was premium. And not many people, but maybe because of today, feeling very good while eating over there. And surrounding area is actually the famous attractions. So it's easy to walk through the old town, the castle, the old walls, and probably some restaurants nearby. And the market just right next door. And I'm very lucky I got a suite room upgrade. So the room is massive, it's very clean, very well designed, and the bedding is very comfortable. I really love this bedding. The bathroom is also well decorated. However, the amenities not provide a full set, so if you need some amenities, you will need to ask the front desk, they will supply for you. Alright, so right now I'm going to wrap up and prepare to go to Krakow airport. See you later.
I took a taxi arranged by the hotel. It costs 140 Polish zloty one way to the airport, which is around $35 US. Unlike the main city of Warsaw, Krakow delivers a leisure and easygoing vibe. I'd love to come here with my family and stay at Indigo again. In my next video, I will leave Poland from Krakow airport, experience the best business class lounge here, and on board KLM Europe business class KL 1994 to Amsterdam. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.